Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Java Android, and today's topic is all about inheritance. As you can see in the screen, it is showing up, and the topics we'll be covering is what is inheritance, what is the use of inheritance, types of inheritance, how we achieve inheritance, and also at the end we will discuss about the time and problem in Java. So let's get started without wasting time. Now, what is inheritance? Well, inheritance is a mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class. Like for example, a children inherits the traits of his or her parents. So with inheritance, we can reuse the fields and methods of the existing class as well. So we can say that inheritance facilitates reusability and is an important concept of OOPS as well. Let's move into the Oracle document. Well, here also you can see they have given a definition that a class that is derived from another class is called a subclass, and also the class from which the subclass is derived is called a superclass. So they have mentioned the definition of inheritance here, and also they have given a lot of example, and you can see they have taken the bicycle example here. I'll share the document in the link, you can go through as well. So let's move into an example. Well, I'll take a class and I will name it as we'll take an example of mobile. So I'll name it as mobile 1. We do not need any main method here. Then I'll describe some kind of features which are available for mobile, and I'll take another class as mobile 2, and we do not need any main method here as well. Then I'll take another class, I'll name it as mobile 3, and we'll try to define some functionalities for all the classes. So for a basic feature of mobile is to get connected, like we can talk to our nearest and dearest people, so anyone in the world where we want to talk, then we use a mobile. So the basic functionality for mobile we use is for communication. So I'll write a method for the same. So I'll take a method, I'll name it as connect, and I'll try to print a statement here. And I'll try to have the same method in 3 classes. So I'll try to print connected, and we'll take the same method, we'll copy, and then we'll paste in both classes, because the main functionality for mobile what we have taken here is connection, that we can communicate. And next what we will do is we'll take some other basic features like any features, for example gallery. So we'll take the gallery which is available for some mobile and which is not available for other mobiles as well, and I'll try to print the same in the gallery method as photos or videos available. I'll take photos or videos. And I'll copy them. I'll try to put the same in other two class as well, as this will be the basic common feature of all the mobile. And you can see that we have made all the things, like all the two methods is common for the mobile classes. So what we'll do is we will take a new class where we'll be writing as only mobile. And here what we will do is, instead of writing like every time the same functionality for each and every mobile, so what we will do is we'll take the methods all together and we'll put it in one class, that is mobile, because these methods is needed in every class. So we'll remove from other classes, that is we have defined the mobile class in mobile 1, mobile 2 and mobile 3. We'll remove the methods, and what we'll do is we'll extend them, or you say we will inherit the properties of the mobile class. So here mobile will be our parent class, and mobile 1, mobile 2, mobile 3 will be our child class, and we will inherit their properties by the keyword using extends. There we go. So we have extended all the three classes. And now what we will do is we'll try to print them. And yes, some other mobile have different features as well. For example, mobile 1 have a feature of Bluetooth, and mobile 2 have a feature of different colors. Mobile 3 has a different feature which is not available for mobile 1 and mobile 2 as well. So what we will do is, in mobile 1 we'll take a feature of Bluetooth and we'll mention it. For example, I'll take a boolean Bluetooth is equal to true. That means that Bluetooth feature is available for mobile 1. And for mobile 2, I'll take a different feature. For example, here I am taking the case let's say colors, or yeah, we'll take it colors, or camera as well we can take. So I'll take camera, and it has a feature of 13 megapixel is available only for mobile 2. And for mobile 3 we will take colors, that there are like so many colors available for mobile 3. So we'll take the same, as we have defined that camera facility is only available for mobile 2. So for mobile 3 we'll take colors, and we'll mention it as true, that boolean colors are available like in red, pink or any color we need. Then what we'll do is we'll take a main method. We'll create a class and we'll name it as main mobile, and we need the main method here, so we'll click it on main method, and there we go, we have a main method. So here what we will do is we'll try to print all the values. We try to call the class. Let me write. So for mobile 1 we'll take M1, and we'll try to get the methods. There you can see Bluetooth, which is a specialty for mobile 1. As you remember, we have taken a special feature Bluetooth is available, and you can see connect and gallery method, which we have defined in the mobile class, which became our parent class, as we have defined them in the parent class, and we have inherited the properties in mobile 1. You can see in mobile 1 that we have only the special feature, and because of extent which we have used as inheritance. So because of that, we can see those methods are available. So what we will do is we'll try to print all the values. So we'll take first connected gallery and Bluetooth as well. You can see over here. Yeah, this Bluetooth we have mentioned in mobile one, so we'll try to print them. So first let's try to print all the common methods we have described, and the same we will take for others as well. And let's try to print mobile one. Yes, you can see over here that both the methods are printing the values. Photos, video saved and connected, you can see over here. The same value we have described in mobile, and you can see that connected we have described in gallery method, connect method, and you can see the same has been printing over here. We'll take for mobile 2. Let's take for mobile 2 and we'll write it as mobile 2 m2 equal to new mobile 2, and we'll try to print the values, the inherited properties. I'll make it as m2 and m2. And we'll try to print mobile 3 as well. Sorry, I missed something. I missed mobile 2 and mobile 3. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, so we'll try to print m3 as well. So let's try to print all the values. There we go. You can see all the methods are returning their respective values. And let's try to print the features which makes them different as a mobile. We'll try to print those different specialty features. For mobile 1 we have taken Bluetooth, and for mobile 2 we have taken camera, and you can see that these methods are returning their values respective of the classes what we have defined. And mobile 3 we have taken color, so let's try to print them. Either we can see that for mobile 1 we have Bluetooth, so we'll take m1.bluetooth. For mobile 2 we have camera, so we will take m2.camera. And for mobile 3 we have colors, so we'll take m3.colors, and let's try to print them. True, as we have mentioned that there is a facility of Bluetooth in mobile 1, and for camera it is showing 13 megapixel as we have mentioned the same in mobile 2, and you can see 13 megapixel is printing. And for colors it is true, so M3 is printing true. So now, as I have understood, let's move to types of inheritance. Well, first is single inheritance. So in single inheritance subclass inherit the features of one superclass. As mentioned in the picture, you can see what is single inheritance, and there is only one superclass in single inheritance. And this is a picture where it is depicting that there is one superclass, and let's take an example for the same. So I'll take a new class and I'll name it as class 1. And next what I'll take a new class and I'll name it as class 2. Display, and I'll try to print a statement that is Java, and in class 2 also I'll take a method and I'll name it as display 2. Print a statement for the same, and I'll mention it as an Android. Then I'll take another class I'll name it as class main. What I'll do is I'll try to print the values. Initially we need to extend them, so we need to inherit the properties. So class 2 we will inherit the properties of class 1. So we inherit them with the keyword extends. Oh, I'm so sorry, not class 1. It's capital, I'm sorry. There we go. Let's try to print the value. We need to call the base class, the child class. So class 2, then there we go. You can see both the methods are present here, display and display 2. You can see. So we'll try to print both. As you remember, display and display 2 are two different methods in two different classes. In class 2 we have display 2 and display is present in class 1. Let's remember that because of inheritance we are able to see the values of both. You can see it is printing Java and Android both. So let's try to move on to multi-level inheritance. The second one, in multi-level inheritance, what happens is a derived class will be inheriting a base class, and as well as the derived class also acts as a base class to other class. In the picture as well, you can see that how base class, intermediate class and derived class is described as a multi-level inheritance. Let's take an example for the same. Already I have class 1, class 2. So what I'll do is I'll take a new class where I'll mention it as a class 3. Click on finish. Then we will extend class 2. As you remember, multi-level is like the child class also acts as a base class for another class. So we'll extend class 2. Then we will write a method for the same. methods public static void, and I'll take display 3. I'll try to print a statement. It's welcome to Java world or welcome to inheritance, and we'll try to print the same. We'll take class 3. There we go. You can see all the methods are present, and let's try to run the value. Run it and let's try to see. Well, you can see welcome to inheritance has already been printed here. So let's move to the third number of inheritance. Yes, third number inheritance is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, one class serves as a superclass for more than one subclass. As you can see in hierarchical inheritance, A is the base class and B, C, D are the subclasses of A. So let's try to look at it with an example. So already I have class 3, so I'll extend with the class, only class 1, because here only one class will be our base class. So we'll try to extend with class 1, the class 3, and in class 2 as well, it's already extending class 1. And in class main, let's try to print the values. Class 2 C1 equal to new class 2. Let's try to print it. And you can see the methods are present here. We'll try to display it. We'll take the same for another. And you can see all the methods are present here. And let's try to take for class 3 as well. Display 3. So it is C dot display 3, and you can see it is present there. And there we go. We can see that all the methods are printing their respective values. So let's move to other inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Well, this is very important in Java because Java doesn't support multiple inheritance with classes. It is only present. It is only it is possible through interfaces. And in multiple inheritance, one class can have more than one superclass and inherit features from all parent class. And you can see in the picture, A and B behaves as the base class and C is a child class, where C has to inherit the properties of A and B. And this is where the diamond problem occurs, because it has to take both the properties, and Java doesn't support multiple inheritance with classes, and we can achieve multiple inheritance only through interfaces. Let's understand the diamond problem with an example. Well, here you can see that sample is a class and they've taken a method demo, and super1 is a class which is extending sample, and super2 is also a class which is extending sample, and both of them have a same method demo. Well, one is printing super1 method and another is printing super2 method. So as for the rule, the child class has to take the method, has to inherit the properties from both the class. So we'll extend super1 and super2 in subclass, and here it becomes ambiguous feature for subclass because subclass has to inherit the features of demo from both the classes, and it becomes an ambiguous situation which one to inherit the property. So this becomes a diamond problem in Java, because there are two methods with the same name with two different classes, and while extending it gets confused. So because of this, diamond problem occurs and it is not supported by classes in multiple inheritance. So, and the fifth is hybrid inheritance, and it is also possible through interfaces, as because it is a mix of two or more of above types of inheritance, and multiple inheritance is not supported by Java. So here hybrid inheritance is also not possible with classes. It is only possible through interface. As you can see in the point, it is mentioned over here that it is not possible with classes and it is only possible through interface. And with the example, and you can see that we have discussed all the topics, all the contents what we have mentioned in the previous, that what all we will be covering and what all will be the points we'll be discussing in this video. So hope you guys have understand all the things about inheritance, and hope you guys have liked this the same. So till then, and if you like this video, then please like, and if you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, because it will help me to motivate and to publish a lot of videos. Till then, thank you so much and happy coding.